The MightyWifi is a US and global hotspot that can be used wherever you go, while connecting all of your favorite devices at once. Since 2003, MightyWifi and our global partners have serviced over 60 million users worldwide. It can be used in over 150 countries, saving you the trouble of getting international SIMs and high roaming charges, thanks to virtual SIM technology, which eliminates the need for a physical SIM. There is no contract, as you only pay for what you need. You can purchase the MightyWifi through Amazon or our website MightyWifi.net and enjoy fast, free shipping. To activate once you get the device, go to the website MightyWifi.net and create a user account. Click on the Activate button at the top of the page and follow the on-screen instructions. To use the device, hold down the top green power button for 3 seconds to power on the device, and wait for a few minutes for the device to search for a signal. After that, the SSID shown is the Wi-Fi name and key is the Wi-Fi password. To keep track of how much data you have used, go to the menu option Data Usage. Here, your usage is shown in megabytes. The MightyWifi utilizes the best available carrier in the area, and depending on the cellular coverage, speeds may vary. If you have any questions, send an email to support@mightywifi.net.